Email marketing is so important if you want to build an online business, and there's a few reasons for this. One of them is if your social media platform goes down because you're not necessarily in control for any platform, unless say it's a WordPress blog, you could get your account taken down, which means then you could potentially lose access to all your sort of followers. If you have built up your email list, then you can contact your audience and let them know, say, hey, I'm moving to another account or a different platform, and you can still keep in contact with them. You can still build up your business by promoting services or other products. Say, for example, if you have any products that you have an affiliate link for, you can still promote those through your email marketing. When writing your emails, you can use, say, ChatGPT, which can help you sort of write your emails, or within Beacons, they have their own AI built into their platform, which can help you write the emails. So I'm going to go ahead now and I can show you what it's like. So I've selected create a new broadcast, and I'm just going to create a general template, but you can select from any of their templates. And then I can say add a block, add my text block. And then from here, you just click generate with AI, and then choose from this option. Then type in here any additional details, what type of voice you want to use, and then say generate with AI. Once it's written the content using the AI, you can obviously edit it if you need it to sound more like your voice, and you can add in any links that you want. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.